I am doing a series of videos to explain how my interest moved from making my instrumentation corporation to being a sperm donor. This series has a sign which is this $2, which means pay to play. This is the first video in the series, and you see a picture of a peristaltic pump that I will present in this video. I produce it in French and in English. For the English one, the pay to play, $2, has the top in blue. In French, it's $1 sign, that's blue. The content is the same in French and in English. My corporation was making instruments for electrochemical and electrobiological measurement, for example, for markets in pharmaceutics, medical diagnostics, things like that. I was also making instruments related to these analytical instruments, for example, this numerically controlled peristaltic pump. The peristaltic movement is when you push a roller on tubing to move a liquid. The liquid gets not contaminated since it always stays within the tubing. The roller is connected to a motor, and the motor, step by step, is controlled by a computer and a chip in the instrument. The user can program the rotation speed of the roller at precision of 0.1 RPM, and he can program how many turns you want with a resolution of 1 in 200 of a turn. This allows him to have a very precise volume of liquid delivered every time he pushes the yellow trigger button, or he can also send a pulse on the connector in the back of the instrument to get his precise volume of liquid. I designed all the printed circuit boards and I programmed the computer in the instrument. I usually use microchips, microcontrollers in my instruments. In 1998, the one I was using had a capacity of 2,000 lines of code, which was quite good in 1998. Today, microcontrollers take bigger programs. At that time, the challenge was to fit a task into such a size of microcontroller. And I achieved it very well. It was a great peristaltic pump. In the next video, I will present my Polaro Nano Amp Meter. It is an analytical instrument to make electrochemical or electrobiological measurements. Some of my analytical instruments were using high technology. Some integrated circuits are labeled as high technology by the American Bureau of Export Administration at the time. That meant that I wouldn't be allowed to resell the component or the product in which it is used to a list of countries or foreign organizations. Today, the management of high technology is done by the Bureau of the Industry and Security Department of Commerce.